In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and install fonts onto your Windows computer. Let's get started. So what you want to do, you want to go to this cool website called fonts.google.com. So it's Google's website that holds a lot of fonts that you can use for all your creative products. Whether it be graphic design, video editing, even web design, you can actually use the fonts that are found on this website onto your own website so that you can maintain a certain branding and consistency. So once you've gone to fonts.google.com, you may need to create a Google account if you haven't yet created one. But I mean, who doesn't have a Google account, right? So once you're there, you can view fonts according to feelings, appearance, calligraphy, serifs, and so much more. So let's say we wanted a fancy fonts. We click fancy, and it will filter our fonts based on that filter, fancy. So let's say we wanted to install Imperial script, or we like the script, this font. I'm going to click it, and we can actually get a preview of the font. So I'm going to put my name here, Micheal Stewart. And as you can see, I get the chance to see what this font will look like before actually downloading it. We can increase this, decrease the size, increase the size, and so forth. So let's say we wanted this font. I'm going to hit Get Font. And as I was telling you before, you can actually embed this font onto your website. So let's say we created some printable materials, but we also wanted to create some digital assets, like banners on our website or just the fonts on our website. Then we could embed it here using this. But in our case, we want it on our computer, so we're going to hit Download All and then find a location on our computer. So I'm going to just save it here. Let me just rename this zip and call it Imperial Script and hit save. Right? So we've saved that onto our computer. So if you go to the folder, you'll see a zip folder. I have WinRAR zip app installed onto my computer. If you don't have that, chances are you already have something on your computer that can actually open a zip folder. So you should be fine. So you're going to open that, go to Imperial Script, and to install it, all we need to do is double click it, and this little window will open, and we hit install, right? And it will go ahead and install. If it's already installed onto your computer, then it will prompt you to say, yes, you already have this font installed. Do you want to replace it, or do you want to cancel? And then, of course, you can choose accordingly. But that's very easy, right? That's how you download something. Let's say you have a computer, though. Let's say you have another computer. You recently bought a computer and you want to migrate all the fonts that are on computer 1 onto computer 2. Then you will need to know where on computer 1 to find the fonts. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, so let me minimize this. So to find the fonts computer on your Windows machine, you need to first go to the Start menu and type Control Panel. All right, so you click the Control Panel, and this little window may appear. And this has various views. By default, it's organized by categories, right? So when searching for the fonts folder, you may want to change it from the categories view to large icons or small icons, and then look for this folder here that says fonts with that A on it. So if you click that and open it, right here you'll see all the fonts that are actually installed onto your computer. So all you need to do now is just copy all of them. You can press Ctrl A to select all of them if you want every single one of them, or you can hold Ctrl, select the individual fonts that you want, and then you simply right click and copy it. So let's say you copied it, right? We're going to pretend that this is a flash drive. So you could copy it and paste it inside a folder, right? On a flash drive, on a thumb drive, on a hard drive, you name it, right? And then all you would simply need to do is just plug that into computer 2 and go to the same folder, select all of it. That's the flash drive, the font that you copied, hit copy, then repeat the process. You'll go to fonts, Control Panel, find your fonts folder, Once you're there, you'll right click and paste it in. And if you already have them installed, again, it will prompt you to say, ask you if you want to replace them. I already have these installed, obviously, so I won't be replacing them. But in your case, you shouldn't get this prompt if they're completely new. So if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to this channel for more tips related to tech, marketing, graphic design, creative stuff, sales funnel, online advertising, you name it. Until next time, peace out. Take care.